Questions 7 and 8 want us to graph the ln logarithms. So if I go to my y equals and type in ln of x, then my graph is going to look like this. So it pretty much looks like the other logarithms. And my domain, it never goes past 0 on the left, and it goes forever to the right, so that's 0 to infinity. And then I want to do ln of x plus 4, and this is going to be like this. So the domain, and again this part won't show up on your calculator, but you have to know to put it there yourself. So the domain, as you go to the left, it's going to approach -4, but it's never going to get past -4. And as you go to the right, it's going to go forever, so to infinity. Okay, so some characteristics about the graphs of logarithmic functions. They're of this form, and b is called the base of the logarithm, and b has to be greater than 0, and it cannot be equal to 1. And the graph will look like this. So just like with the exponential functions, how there really wasn't too much variety in how they look, it's the same thing for logarithmic functions. So my domain is going to be 0 to infinity, as long as there's nothing like added like in this one. The range, it's going to go as far down and as far up, so -infinity to infinity. There's going to be a vertical asymptote, and again, asymptote is just a fancy word for boundary. And that's going to be the y-axis. So what that means is this is forming a boundary, and the function's going to get close to it, but it can never get past it. And each graph will contain the points 1, 0 and b1.